So here we are on top of the Terex Finlay 883 Plus screener, and I'm joined by Michael from Terex Finlay, and he is one of these techie guys, and he's in charge of T-link. Now, T-link is one of these kind of systems whereby it monitors the performance of the equipment. But I'm going to ask Michael a little bit more about it because I'm no expert. So tell me a little bit about T-link, what it does, and how you've developed it.
So T-link is our telematics offering. Basically, we transmit our data, anything that's on our CAN bus, whether it be engine, clutch, or our machine CAN bus, we transmit that data via a dual mode modem. So we transmit via satellite and cellular.
So what we're saying there really is it's reading the computer inside the machine, so it's looking out for key information. So if the engine's too hot, if you've got a problem, what are some of the typical things that you'd find, that the information you'll get from that?
So anything that's on the CAN bus, so we've got our engine hours, fuel usage, we have engine load. On our crushers we can transmit some vital cone data, so we can record cone liner wear rates.
I'm a little bit of a novice here with this kind of equipment, so tell me, what's a cone liner and what does it do?
So our cone crushers have wear parts within them,
yep.
And we can monitor the wear rate on the cone liner.
So that's really saying that actually we need to change this particular cone liner. We can actually look at that, look at the wear rates, look at some preventative maintenance and say, look, here's it's trending this way, and
yep.
Therefore we can actually change it before it fails. Is that
yep.
the idea?
That's it. Yeah.
So tell me, how many people are using the T-link system, and how do you think that's going to expand over the coming months?
Yeah, we're seeing a great take up on the T-link system. We have unlimited user accounts, so if you own one of our pieces of equipment, you can have a login. Basically, that login will allow you to see anything that your machine is doing.
From my experience, the one thing that customers want to do is, what's the hours, what's the fuel, and where on earth is it? I guess that's what the initial thing is. But we're going a bit more, expanding into saying, look, this is data we can collect for you.
Yeah.
Our engineers can go away and look at this data. We can compare this data with other data we have from other machines within a population and within similar applications.
Yeah.
And therefore, what these guys are able to do is say, look, we're not just seeing your machine, we're seeing other machines, that trending data, and we know these sort of things are going to happen. So let's get in there, prevent that from happening, and make your customers be more profitable. That's what it's all about.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, thanks very much for talking to me on the top of this windy 883 Plus. It's time to go and get a cup of tea, I think.